welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing another cooking video with recipes from the tea room that I used to own many moons ago. Today it is a recipe. It is one of the most popular salads, green salads that we used to do. It is called the chicken pecan salad, and it is a very easy recipe. You can make it with the baked chicken. You can make it without the baked chicken. You can add other things if you want. You can use a whole different dressing if you want. You can make this salad anything you want to make it. I highly suggest that you make it the way that we're going to make it today, because it is a great summertime salad. So, hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and on my channel I do cooking videos, but I mainly focus a lot on makeup and unboxing subscription boxes, and also sometimes I do talk about mental health issues. If you are into any of that, or say you're into all of that, I would love it if you would hit the subscription button, hit that notification bell, and set it to all so that you're notified of all my upcoming videos. So let's go ahead and get right on it. Okay, today we are making chicken pecan salad. This is the day before we're gonna make it. Of course, you don't have to wait a day ahead, but I am going to go ahead and bake the chicken and toast the pecans. You don't need this many pecans. I am just making this many so I can have some to snack on throughout the week. I am also making extra chicken because next week we are going to be making apricot almond chicken salad. So what I do to bake my chicken is I turn the oven on to 350 degrees. I buy a bag of frozen chicken breasts. I lay them out on my pan with a deep set pan. Well, as deep as you have. I don't have a very deep pan, and then you set it out, and then you pour water on top of the chicken breast so you can get some broth out of it to be used in soups or what have you later on. I will probably freeze that broth for some soups in the future. And then you take some lemon pepper. Come on. Like, I have this Adam's lemon pepper seasoning, and then you just douse that chicken with that lemon pepper seasoning. It won't stick since they're frozen, but try to get as much to stick as possible. This will season your chicken so you don't have to put salt and pepper on it like for chicken salads in the future and stuff. So you will do that. So let's go ahead and put these in the oven, and I will tell you how long they cooked for. The reason I do that is because at the tea room we had a convection oven, so it cooked it rather quickly, and I don't know how long it's going to take me in my home oven, which is just a regular oven. So I will be right back. Okay, while we are waiting for the chicken to bake and the pecans to bake, to toast, I am going to go ahead and chop up my lettuce and dry it in my salad spinner. If you don't have a salad spinner, you can dry it with paper towels or whatever method you want to use. So I am going to, first you go ahead and wash off your lettuce like I have already done, and chop off the, whatever you call it, the butt of the lettuce. And you can use any kind of lettuce. What we usually used at the tea room was red leaf lettuce or green leaf lettuce. We usually save the romaine for our chicken Caesar salads, but we didn't use iceberg lettuce. If you're going to use iceberg lettuce for this or romaine lettuce, I would say to chop your lettuce the same day you are making the salad. But if you are using any other kind of lettuce, I think you can go ahead and do it a day or so beforehand. So I am going to go ahead and chop this. Okay, and here my lettuce is in the salad spinner, all nice, and well, it's not dry, but it is drying, and I will put that in the refrigerator for tomorrow. And so we have our lettuce prepped. Okay, we've got the pecans and the chicken out of the oven. The pecans took about 20 minutes to toast, and the chicken took about an hour and 10 minutes to cook. Of course, it will vary upon your oven and the size of your chicken breasts and all of that. So this is what it looks like. I will see you tomorrow or in just 1 second so we can put our salad together. Okay. All right, now it's the next day and we are going to put our salad together. First, I'm doing 2 salads. So all you are going to need is your lettuce from yesterday, and like I said, I'm doing 2, so I'm using a whole apple. I'm using 8 strawberries. I've got 2 small pieces of chicken, and I've got the toasted pecans here. So first of all, I'm going to cut up the strawberries. I'm going to cut off the tops and just quarter them. I'll cut this one into 6 pieces. And then I'm going to take my apple. Oops. And then I'm going to cut off I'm going to cut it up into little pieces. Not real little pieces, just like this, like so. I've got Honeycrisp apple, by the way. But whatever kind of apple you'd like to use. And then, let's put this over here. Let's move this up here and this up here. Then I'm going to cut the chicken up kind of the same way I did the apple. You can use as much or as little chicken as you like. So there are all the components of our salad. So, okay, we've got a plate right here. So we are going to put a good amount. This is going to be a big salad. So we've got a good amount of lettuce. Okay, can you pause it a second?
Sure.
Okay, then I'm going to take half of this apple and put it on. Then I'm going to take the chicken and put it on there. Then I'm going to take half of the strawberries and put it on. And then I'm going to take a handful of the toasted pecans and put it on top. Okay, and here you have the toasted or the chicken pecan salad. Now, what I recommend is a raspberry vinaigrette dressing to go with it. That's what we would usually serve it with on the side. But it pairs beautifully with this salad. Okay, now we're going to have Aaron taste test the salad and see what he thinks of it. Okay, Aaron, how does the salad taste?
This is a very large salad.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. But it's excelente.
Really? You think so?
Very good.
Okay, alright. Alright, the dish.
Full of chickeny, strawberry, lettucey, pecan-y goodness.
How's the dressing?
Good.
Okay. Alright. Okay, that will do it for this week's cooking video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think. If you tried out the video, come back and tell me how you liked it. What your thoughts are on it. And, of course, the recipe will be down below in the description box. And, okay. Alright, I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. If you are having a not so great day, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.